EuroWeb's Working Group 1 is dedicated to textile technologies and aims to explore the evolution of textile crafts across time. The working group is led by Christina Margariti and co-led by Tina Gianalaki and Maria Emanuela Alberti. By focusing on how textile technologies developed, were transmitted and transformed, as well as on episodes of textile innovation and their cultural setting, this working group aims to actively contribute to EuroWeb's goal of rewriting European history through the lens of textiles. On the other hand, research and dissemination of knowledge regarding advanced techniques for the study of textiles also falls under the purview of this working group, which actively promotes an interdisciplinary dialogue within the EuroWeb network and beyond. In order to pursue these goals, the working group now congregates a large team of almost 100 researchers and innovators, including archaeologists, archaeobotanists, zooarchaeologists, conservators, heritage scientists, but also artists and craftspeople. This team works on 5 different action fronts: the development and organization of training schools and workshops, the documentation of traditional textile crafts and the reconstruction of archaeological, historical, and traditional textiles and techniques, the development and application of advanced analytical techniques, and the promotion of the best standards and practices and new cutting-edge methods in textile conservation. One example of the activities developed by this working group was the online workshop Advanced Analytical Techniques for Textiles, organized by the working group leader, Christina Margariti, with the collaboration of Ana Lukashova and Francisco B. Gomes. This series of digital conferences offered participants a comprehensive overview of the most recent and advanced analytical tools at the disposal of textile researchers and conservators, featuring 6 talks by invited speakers on topics such as microscopy, synchrotron radiation, proteomics, CT scanning, techniques for dye analysis, and radiocarbon dating. As the working group is strongly committed to the dissemination of research results, this conference has given rise to a special number of the Heritage Science Journal, currently under preparation, which will feature 14 papers on advanced analytical techniques and case studies of their application to historical and heritage textiles. Regarding dissemination, Working Group 1 is also actively working to contribute to the EuroWeb Anthology, a major editorial project being developed in the framework of the action. The group has proposed to contribute with 4 separate papers dealing with textile analysis, textile tools, textile reconstructions, and textile conservation. All these papers will result from ongoing collaborations and will be co-authored by at least 3 team members from 3 different countries in EuroWeb. Apart from publication and dissemination of results, the working group is also committed to offering training opportunities for interested members and especially for young researchers. One example of these training opportunities will be the upcoming training school on first aid for excavated textiles, which will focus on the steps to document, secure, package, and identify textiles during fieldwork. The training school will be held in the Center for Textile Research in Copenhagen during the month of August. Finally, the working group is also actively involved in the organization of the 8th edition of the Purpurea Vesta Symposium, a major venue for the dissemination and discussion of the results of research on textiles in the ancient world. This symposium, which this year will focus on tradition and innovation in textile production in the Asian Mediterranean world and beyond, will take place in Athens in October of this year and will count with the participation of many action and working group members. These are just some examples of the work and activities being developed in the framework of the working group, and many more are currently under preparation and will take place over the next couple of years. To stay informed about the working group and its activities, we invite you to visit EuroWeb's website at euroweb.uw.edu.pl and to follow us on EuroWeb's social media. Thank you for your attention.